Here the question is, this is a rectangle. The ratio of length and breadth 5:2 and its area 1690 centimeter square. We have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. There are four options: 182, 169, 196 and 264 centimeter. The problem already has been solved herein, so we have to explain the problem very easily. In case of area in rectangle, square and square root matter comes, but in class 5 this problem has been taken from NSTSE exam, and there no scope to use square and square root, as because in class 5 syllabus square and square root matter is not allowed, not applicable, as the matter is little complex. But the student of class 5 knows factorization matter. That's seen 1690, this is the area. So we have done the factor of this number 10. First take 10, no need to take 2 or 5, as because 10 can be written as 5 into 2 later. It's very simple. 10, 169 comes, 169 13 into 13. Here is the point. This is the matter of square root and square, but very interestingly the square and square root matter has been changed into factor 1690. 10 into 13 into 13. 10 has been written as 5 into 2. So that complete factorization 5 into 2 into 13 into 13. Our main question has been given as length and breadth is to 5:2. So given ratio L is to be equal 5:2. This is the main point for a student to explain the matter very easily. We have to learn this, how to convert this into problem into solution. Check. Here 5 into 2, 13 into 13. 5 into 2, 5:2 already given. That means 5 and 2 already I have written both sides. So remain part 13 into 13. 113 has been given this part and another 13 is given to second part. That means 1 into length, 1 into the part of length and another in the part of breadth. 5 into 13 equals 65. 2 into 13, 26. So if this is 65 and this is 26, then the area must be 1690. We can multiply 65 into 26. So the length is 65. This is the trick, and the breadth is 26. We know area of L into B, and the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. This rule has already been taught to the student of class 5. So they know the rule of perimeter and area. So perimeter 2 into L plus B. L comes 65, B comes 26. So the perimeter, very easy. L plus B comes 65 plus 26. That means 91. So the perimeter 2 into L plus B means 2 into 91. So 182. So the matter of square and square root may be avoided. I think it's very easy.